Hi there, this is a quick video to show you how to reserve class and also how to see class times. So the first thing you'll need is the Zen Planner app. Make sure you get the member app. You load it up, log into it, and from here you can access quite a bit of stuff. But this one's going to show you mainly how to reserve class time. And then also if you have curiosity about when is a class, this is a great place to come look for that. So first of all, to reserve a class, you can see this is on December 19th, and there's only a few classes left today that I could reserve a spot for. So when you first open the app, this is exactly what you'll see is the day's classes that remain. And you just hit the reserve button, reserve your class. This is nice for the coaches so they have an idea of how many people are coming. And as the gym continues to grow, some point in the future, this will be something that is required, is to reserve your class time. That way, if you show up, you do have a spot in class. If classes continue to grow and get to the point where they are too large regularly, we'll start to enforce strict class caps, class size caps, so that way classes are safe and coaches can coach effectively. But as right now, it's not required. But this is a great way just to make sure the class or the coach knows you're coming. So now if I click in the class, you can see, you'd be able to see if there's more people reserved. Like if I wanted to cancel, let's say I can't make it, I can cancel the reservation. I can go back and let's say I can make the 6:30 class. I'm going to reserve there instead. Now I can click into the 6:30 class and I can kind of see that other people are reserved. Sometimes it says member. I'm not exactly sure why it says member, but sometimes the members' names are listed. You get an idea of who's coming. And then also you can always see who's coaching the class. My phone number's in there if you have questions, etc. It's all in there. One of the other nice things, let me unreserve because I'm not coming. People often want to ask when our class times, what, in the holidays, what's our schedule look like, etc. This is a perfect place to find that. You can click on the little calendar in the upper right. And let's pick a perfect day. So let's say Christmas Eve, so the 24th. What day or what classes do we have on Christmas Eve? I can look ahead and see that we have one class from 5:30 to 7, and one that's from 8:30 to 9:30 is probably really going to last a little longer because it's a longer workout. But you can see those are the two classes we have for that day and that day only. If I toggle over to Christmas, we have no classes on Christmas. And then jumping over to the day after Christmas, we start to getting back to a full schedule, and you can see that we have a lot of classes. You can only reserve class time 1 hour in advance, or I'm sorry, 1 day in advance, so you can't reserve any of these times yet. And if I go back to today and look at tomorrow, you can see I can now reserve for the 5, 6, 8:30, and noon classes because those are now 24 hours in advance. But we haven't hit 4:30 yet, so I can't reserve for the late classes yet. That's for tomorrow. That's a really quick, easy way to see how to reserve classes and how to check schedule. Another really quick, easy way is if you go to our website and, oops, what am I doing? New tab, and go to our website. You can go here and you can easily go to where it says members. Open that up. I'm sorry, no, go to schedule. Go to schedule, and on the website and or on here, you can easily see what classes we have for the day too. It doesn't let you reserve time, but if you ever have a curiosity about schedules, that's another place that you can look. That's how you reserve class times. Thanks.